students. Today I am before you to take up an English class for class 4 English. The title is The Little Big Man and you can open to page 27. But before we go to the learning part, I am here online to teach you a poem. I am not able to meet you face to face because coronavirus COVID-19 is spreading fastly. So children follow SMS, that is social distancing, wearing a mask, S for soap, using the soap very frequently and keeping your hands safe, clean and away from virus. Be safe children, listen to your parents. Now open to page number 27 and open lesson 4, The Little Big Man, English for class 4, lesson 4, The Little Big Man. Things will be needing children. What you will be needing? What should you have here too? You will be needing the English reader. You will be needing the English classwork, the pencil and the eraser. Now, I just before, I give you a gist of what is in the poem like. The Little Big Man. His father is a grown-up man. He lives outside the city. The child dreams of not having any lesson. And he wanted to go to the fair, but his uncle wants to carry the child, but if the child loses his way. And when the child's father will return home in October, he will allow the child to buy clothes as the child will be grown up then. So this is all the poem about. Now children, please take some vocabulary words, open your class works and note down some new words. New word, slate, slate, wonder, I wondered, wonder, crowd, crowd, there was a large crowd on the road because there was an accident, crowd, thick, 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 dense forest, fair, Mela. Village fair. You often enjoy in the fair, don't you? Nurse, one who looks after us. Nurse. Naughty, naughty. The naughty boy went to Scotland. Naughty. Don't be naughty at home. Silver. It could be the metal or the paisa coin. Silver. October, name of a month. October, November are winter months. Buy. I went to buy some vegetables. Grown up. My brother is a grown up now, but I am still a child. Grown up. Please note down the vocabulary words. Slate. Slate. Wonder. I wonder what he looks like. Crowd. Thick, dense forest. Fair. I enjoy the village fair every year. Nurse. The nurse looks after the sick. Naughty. The naughty boy went away to the Scotland. Silver. A coin or a metal. October. We have holidays during the month of October. Buy. My mother went to buy some vegetables. Grown up. My brother is a Now open your books children. Now I shall read the poem. You have to pay full attention to what I am reading and then read at home whenever you have time. It is about a little child wanting to grow up. The poem My Little Big Man is by well-noted poet Rabindranath Tagore. I am small because I am a little child. I shall be big when I am as old as my father is. My teacher will come and say, it is late, bring your slate and your books. I shall tell him, do you not know I am as big as father? And I must not have lessons anymore. My master will wonder and say, he can leave his books if he likes, for he is grown up. I shall dress myself and walk to the fair where the crowd is thick. My uncle will come rushing up to me and say, "You will get lost, my boy. Let me carry you." I shall answer, "Can't you see, uncle? I am as big as father. I must go to the fair alone." Uncle will say, "Yes, he can go wherever he likes, for he is grown up." Mother will come from her bath when I am giving money to my nurse, for I shall know how to open the box with my key. Mother will say, "What are you about, naughty child?" I shall tell her, "Mother, don't you know I am as big as father, and I must give silver to my nurse." Mother will say to herself, "He can give money to whom he likes, for he is grown up." In the holiday time in October, father will come home and, thinking that I am still a baby, will bring for me from the town little shoes and small silken frocks. I shall say, "Father, give them to my dada, for I am as big as you are." Father will think and say, "He can buy his own clothes, for he likes, for he is grown up." This is all about, you should read with proper pronunciation and intonation, children. Now open to page number 29. Page number 29, come to the meaning part. Slate. A small sheet of slate in wooden frames used in the past in schools by students to write. You must have seen the nursery children, when they learn the alphabets, they bring the slates. Mother gives practice on a slate first how to write the curves. Silver, coins made up of silver. Coins made up of silver. Now open page 29, understanding the text. Choose the correct option. You are giving three options. I am little, big, good. The little is the first option. I am a little child. Little. Second one, it is late. Bring your books, slate, pencil. Slate is the answer. Number 3, I shall dress, bath, groom myself. Dress is the answer. 4, what are you about? Good, obedient, naughty. Naughty is the answer. I must give gold, silver, lead to my nurse. Silver is the correct answer. He can give toys, book, money to whom he likes. Money is the. Okay, right, children? First one, little. Second one, slate. Little. Slate. Dress. Naughty. Silver, money. Silver, money. The child assumes that he is small now, but when he grows up, he will be like his father. What impression of his father do you get from the poem? The first question. The father is a grown-up man. His father is a grown-up man. His father is a grown-up man. He lives outside the country in a town to earn for his family. His father seems to be good, responsible man, for his child aspires to become one like him. Second question. The child talks about school. What dream does he have? He dreams of not having any lesson and not studying anymore, as he thinks he will be as big or as old as his father. Number 3, what will happen when he goes to the fair? Third answer, Please note down, when he goes to the fair, he will meet his uncle, who will come rushing towards him. His uncle will show his concern and tell the child that he will get lost. His uncle will want to carry him, but the child will refuse, as he thinks he is as big as his father. Now the fourth question, the child's father will return home in October. What permission will he give to the child? Fourth answer. When the child's father will return home in October, he will allow his child to buy clothes as the child will be grown up then. When the child's father will return home in October, he will allow his child to buy clothes as the child will be grown up then. Now children, these are the answers. Now the fifth one, the child has introduced us to his whole. Now you have to write on your own what impression do you get about the child. He wishes to be imitate and grown up with and act like a grown up. Now look at the C part. Explain the foreign phrase. I am as big as my father. I am as big. Page number 29. The C part. The C part. I am as big as my father. I am a grown-up person like my father. I am not small like any child, for any kid. I am old enough to do my work and take all my decisions. Second one, my master will wonder. My master will be surprised. Wonder, my master will be surprised. Third one, where the crowd is thick, where there are many people, and where there is dense crowd. Fourth one, what are you about? What are you up to? What are you doing? Fifth one, he is a big individual. He is not small. Sixth one, I must give money, coins to the nurse. Now children, come to the understanding word part. Now in English we have a word suffix. What are suffix? Page number 30. Now come to the page number 30. Suffix. Sometimes we add a letter or a group of letters at the end of the word to form another word. This is known as suffix. Some suffixes can be added to the nouns to form adjectives. Sometimes we add a letter or a group of words at the end of the word to form another word. This is known as suffix. Some suffixes can be added to the nouns to form adjectives. Wonder. Wonder is the word, and supposing you add full, you get the new, this is the suffix part, suffix. The new word formed is wonderful. Wonderful. Generally, suffixes are at the end of the letter. Wonder plus full, wonderful. Rest. Rest. The suffix here is less. Restless. Why are you so restless today? We often use restless. Restless. Remarkable. Remark. Plus able. So it will be remarkable. Remarkable. Dr. Kalam was a remarkable personality. Magic. All magical. Magic plus able, remarkable. Magic, magical. So, suffixes are generally added at the end of the word to form a new word. Here the suffix is full. Wonderful. Less, restless. Able, remarkable. All, magical. magical. Now, you are given, you can add suffix. There are many types of suffix. Now, for example, FUL. You have to add FUL. Now, how many words can you make with that FUL? Let me see. FUL. Or you can have to add FUL or LESs or able. The suffixes are LES, able, or. First one, number 1, page number 30. Pollution is dash harm for health. The suffix is harmful. Full, harmful. The one harmful. Harmful is the word and suffix is full. Pollution is harmful for health. Second, his behavior was dash shameful. His behavior was shameful. His behavior was shameful. His behavior was shameful. Jana Gana Mana is the dash nation anthem of India. National, AL is your suffix. National is the national anthem, Jana Gana Mana, written by Rabindranath Tagore. Sumedha is wearing dash fashion earrings. Fashion will become fashionable. ABL, fashionable. Fashionable earring. Sumedha is wearing fashionable earring. Fifth, we are looking forward to enjoy a day. Enjoyable. We are looking forward to an enjoyable day. A butterfly dash color wings. A butterfly has colorful wings. Now the suffix here are full, a national, able, full. Harmful, shameful, national, fashionable, enjoyable, colorful. Now these are the most commonly used suffix. FUL, which we use as wonderful. LESs, shameless, able, fashionable, national, full. Now children, for today we shall you shall read the lesson. Again tell harmful, shameful, national, fashionable, enjoyable, colorful, fearless, peaceful. Now children, I ask you to note down today's homework. For the homework, read the poem aloud. You have to read the poem aloud. Second, you have to write 5 lines. 5 lines on the poet, because he is the poet. Rabindranath Tagore is the poet. So you have to write it. 5 lines and write 5 lines and 5 books. Any 5 books that you. 27, which is on page number 27. Read 5 lines, write 5 lines about poet Rabindranath Tagore and 5 of his books about it. And learn the meanings, write the summary of the poem in your own words. Make 10 sentences using your own prefix, suffix, using own suffix. You have to put any suffix here, whether it is LESs or AL, it is that LES, this is your choice. So please note down the homework. Hope you are with me children, listening to me and keeping your safe self. And dear parents, be with your students and see that they note down all the points. Thank you children. visit you again.